Jose Rizal, 1861-1896, was a Filipino polymath, politician, and novelist who became the national hero of the Philippines for inspiring the 19th century independent movement against Spanish colonial rule. He advocated for peaceful reform through his novels Nuli Matanghiri 1887 and El Filibusterismo 1891, which exposed colonial justice. Birth and early life. Born on June 19, 1861, in Calamba, Laguna, to a wealthy family, he was educated at Ateneo Municipal de Manila and University of Santo Tomas. Education and travel. He specialized in ophthalmology in Spain and studied across Europe, becoming proficient in over 20 languages. Literary work and advocacy. His novels Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo highlighted the corruption of the Spanish government and Catholic Church, making him a prominent figure in the propaganda movement. Exile and executions. Returning to the Philippines, he was exiled to the Pitan for his writings. Also, he did not lead the armed uprising Katipunan. He was arrested, tired of sedition, and executed by firing squad on December 30, 1896 in Manila at age 31.